So this is where things get really, really interesting, is we could start writing and communicating to Gemini just like you do it, otherwise in the web UI or when you talk to ChatGPT, you can do this from SQL. So basically I'll create a very simple table here that's just event date, medium, and sessions. We can now ask Gemini to talk to us about this. So first we have to think about how to give it to Gemini. So we will be turning our response into a JSON string. And then this will be another one that I won't be writing from scratch, but I'll copy paste it and walk you through it. So I'll say, what can you tell me about my session traffic medium for this month? I want to know what has changed from January 20th to January 27th compared to the week before. And I'll say the data is provided as a JSON. And then that event date medium sessions, the query that we just ran, I just translated it into a JSON. And then I concatenate those two together, and this is my prompt. So all together is my prompt, this question plus a JSON of what Google Analytics 4 gave me back. And I'll say generate text. And if I run this, it's going to take a little longer. So it's doing two things, grabbing all the data for January and then creating a prompt to ask Gemini about what it thinks about it. So if we just look at the prompt here on the right, it's what we wrote. And then this is the provided data in the JSON format. And then here it starts telling us about what it noticed. It looks like we maybe had some data missing, but then it sums it up. It lets us know at the end, not set decrease significantly. This could indicate a resolution of an issue causing misattribution, organic fell, referral fell. So it does its best job to kind of describe what's happening. It's letting us know that there may be some data missing between January 13th and 19th. Maybe it was something off in my query. But just for a demo, right, it's really, really cool. All of a sudden, we can start using our SQL and what it's generating on the fly with Gemini prompts.